folks, John here at E.C.D Auto Design in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to bring out to you what's been new and exciting during the month of November here at E.C.D. Now, we started off with Project Snowy Range, a stunning Defender 110 in Coniston green with silver rooftop, classic trim, so you have the traditional dash on that one, manual transmission, lots of fun to drive, of course, and also keeping the character of the original Defenders. Then we have Project Must Be Nice, a small pocket rocket fitted with a LS supercharger engine, which is probably your most powerful Defender 90 to date. With this eggshell finish in Kesset green and tan interior, it just makes a stunning combination. Then we have Project Slow Horse, a Defender 110 with Conway body kit, 20-inch wheels, an amazing two-tone interior in silver and black. Details such as red seat belts, panoramic glass top, as well as a Land Rover sunroof make this vehicle very special. Then we have the Malvern Commission, an E.C.D E-Type EV in a true one-of-a-kind car. Finish in gunmetal gray, matte finish. It looks like nothing else out there. The interior is complemented with a tan and black leather combo that gives this beautiful car a touch of elegance and a sportness at the same time. On featured articles this month, we showcase how to integrate modern technology into our custom Defenders, and also your guide to the Classic Art Defender Part 1. Now, for video of the month, we have a couple of treats for you guys. We have Camel Trophy, which is an incredible Defender 110 painted to match the original trucks from that era. The interior on this vehicle is fantastic, with a brown Napa leather, cream piping all around, and in the exterior, of course, you have a full roll cage, roof rack, awning, and many other accessories that make this car a unique piece. Also this month, we continue covering the Little Blue Truck project, and we're following up every step of the way. Make sure to check out the video so you can also follow his journey through E.C.D. Also on our press features this month, we showcase Project Camel Trophy that I just mentioned, as well as our Chelsea truck vehicles that are absolutely stunning. Also in November, E.C.D officially announces agreement with CTC. With this partnership, E.C.D can now offer an amazing array of accessories for new generation Defender 110 and Ineos Grenadier trucks. As always, E.C.D offers VIP test drives from West Palm Beach to Miami, as well as Kissimmee area and beyond. E.C.D's VIP test drive service is available within 75 miles from its locations. Qualified clients will enjoy a one-on-one tailored test drive experience with an E.C.D ambassador arriving at their home or office to present a custom-built E.C.D vehicle for a personal experience. Be sure to follow us on all social media channels at E.C.D Auto Design.